Okay, we are on that final spin cycle. It is at full speed. So you can see it's very stable. Sounds great. Show you it is moving super fast. Lid switch works. He gets right back up to speed, no problems. Okay, and those just finished up. Just like to do is reach in here and just grab them and check them out. Yep, they're nice and light, which means all the water has been spun out of them. Excellent. Okay, that's super important to check. So we'll move those over to the dryer. Hang on. Okay, got those moved over to the dryer. And I'm just going to set this on Jeans More Dry. It's an auto setting. That washer is nice and cleaned out there. Looks real good. As you can see, it sounds great. It's not off balance, there's no weird noises. Works perfect. In here and nice and hot. Excellent, excellent. Alright, there you have it. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Now you know they in fact both work as described in my listing. So if you have any questions, please reach out. These will go pretty fast. So if you'd like to set up a pickup or delivery, shoot me a PM and we'll get it set up. Thanks again.